Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video we're going to learn about basic regression plot in Seaborn library, using Seaborn library. So we are going to learn how to plot this figure, and also we are going to learn what we can understand from this figure. So first of all, we're going to import the necessary libraries. Then this is the generation of data. I have a data frame, so that is called data. So I call the data frame function from the Pandas library, and the data frame is named data. Then we are having feature 1 and feature 2. So feature 1 and 2, both of them are normally distributed, while with the difference that the feature 2 has different mean and scale. Then we choose the white grid for the style because it has a better visualization. And now I would like to have the size of my plot. So first of all, the size is 8 by 6 inches. Then I call the regression plot function. So reg plot function is called from the Seaborn library. X equals feature 1, y equals feature 2. So x equals feature 1, you see the label. Y equals feature 2, you see the label here as well. Then the data that needs to be filled for the reg plot is filled with the data frame called data that we are having here. So this data is this data, and this data is for the let's say reg function. Then we would like to set the title. In order to set the title, we are having the title function from the Matplotlib library, and the title is basic regression plot or linear fit, let's say. Then we have the show function from the Matplotlib library to show and display our figure. So here is my figure after all. Now I would like to try to see what I can understand from this figure. In order to understand this figure, first of all, we need to know that this blue line here, this is the regression line that shows the trend between feature 1 and feature 2. So feature 1 is on the x-axis, feature 2 is on the y-axis. And the shaded region here near the blue line represents the confidence interval, indicating uncertainty in their regression estimate. And the scatter plot suggests here the data points. So each dot on the scatter plot is a data point, and it shows a weak correlation between feature 1 and feature 2. And also we see that there is a slope for the regression line, so it has a slight upward slope. It indicates that as feature 1 increases, feature 2 tends to increase slightly, but the relationship is weak. And we see that here, for example, the spread of points around the regression line suggests high variability, meaning other factors likely influence feature 2 as well. And also this visualization helps to detect a linear relationship and to assess how much is the correlation strength between these two features. So in this video we learned first of all how to plot a basic regression plot, and we also learned what we can understand from them. For example, this is the blue line is my regression line, and we are having the shaded part, and we see the spread of the points around the regression line showing the high variability, etc. Thank you for watching.